Hello everyone, welcome back to TLT Studio. Today I'm going to show you guys how to set your date and time on your PC. Alright, if you have not subscribed as yet, please ensure that you do. Thank you so much. Alright, so let's jump right in. Now the first step is we're going to go down to the search bar and we're going to type in date, and then you're going to see date and time setting. You're going to double click. And from here you're going to see set time automatically. This is the option I normally use because it automatically set your time based on your time zone. However, you can also set your date and time manually. Alright, so this is useful if you want to set your time at least 5 or 10 minutes fast. You can also go right in, change the date and time. Once you have made the necessary changes, you can just click on change. For this tutorial, we're just going to work with set time automatically. So we're just going to click, and just like that, the time is automatically set. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Ensure that you guys subscribe, like, comment, and share. Do have yourself a wonderful day.